What up, guys? Got the car right behind me. I'm gonna be doing a short little segment today, just kind of showing you guys around the car, doing a little POV video as well. So everyone stay tuned, and this should be pretty fun, right? So here is my 2018 Audi Rs3, sitting ever so fucking pretty. Everything I've done to it, I have the Zito Flowform wheels and a brushed finished 19 by 9.5 with a 32 offset. This car actually comes staggered with, what was it? It's two 45s in the front and two 35s in the rear. I don't like the weird offset in the front. That's just me. I mean, if you're going like full crazy fucking time build, drag strip build, that's perfect. I went with a stagger or a squared over the staggered, so I'm running two 45s all the way around. I just think it looks better. Me personally, it kind of defeats the understeer a little bit, which is nice. As far as exhaust, I have the Audi Sport exhaust. I have AWE mid pipes, and then with how you can tune these cars with VLM spec, you can actually do sound tuning, believe it or not. So you can send more as far as like burples, if you'd say. So it gives it a little bit more sound effect. But yeah, sounds pretty fucking good. I'll give you guys a rev in just a few minutes. Probably one of the best features on this has got to be the stitching in the seats. Absolutely phenomenal. I wish they did it on the bottom as well. That'd be kind of cool. But on the back, from views like here or even from the front, you see it very, very good, and it looks absolutely phenomenal. I got security constantly watching me, literally circled by like 10 times. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going though. Car is vinyl wrapped. I did it myself, so again, I don't claim to be a professional vinyl wrapper. I've done a few people's cars here and there, but yeah, that part's fucking really hard to get. So I just half-assed it. It actually turned out pretty good. It makes it look like a mouth, very aggressive. I have a front lip coming soon. Car looks pretty good though. I'm gonna plug in a few sound clips for you guys, just so you guys can get some revving. Just because with the tune, you can take off the soft rev limiter, which is nice. Usually it's around 45 to 5,000. We pushed it all the way, but anyway, I'm gonna drop some clips right now. That being said, let's take you guys on a quick little POV drive, nothing crazy, and we'll get this thing going. You hear the turbo flutter just because I do have a CTS intake. I forgot to show you guys. Nothing crazy, but gives you that little bit of sound. Shitload of speed bumps back here, but yeah. Car sounds pretty good though, in my opinion. It's not too much where it's too loud and overcoming everything. I'm sure it's gonna be like that once I take the cats off, to be honest, but for now I'm really satisfied with it, to be honest. I mean, the spools are just phenomenal in this car. This, I mean, cannot get better than a 5-cylinder turbo. Let's be real, guys. Got a little tunnel. With this car, after you tune it, it's something where the car literally never stops pulling. It's actually pretty insane, the power band that this thing can actually withstand. And it just, the amount of torque it throws you in, I mean, you feel it. Especially as a passenger, you really, really feel it. Alright guys, last clip I'm gonna plug in here. Again, I just wanted to thank all you guys for those who do watch my videos and those who do like, comment, and subscribe. You guys are fucking amazing. Really appreciate it. I promise I will get better at this shit. I actually just bought a GoPro with a wide angle lens, that way I can get better footage. But anyway, here's a quick pull for the boys.